Oppo has just launched the Find N5 Foldable, but the tech giant isn't slowing down. In just a few weeks, Oppo is set to unveil two highly anticipated devices, the Find X8 Ultra and the Find X8 Next. The Find X8 Ultra, also known as the Night God, is a revolutionary device focused on low-light photography. According to Oppo's director of flagship product, Zhou Yibao, capturing stunning nighttime shots has been one of the biggest challenges in smartphone photography. To solve this, Oppo has equipped the Ultra with an enlarged aperture lens, advanced light intake enhancements, and upgraded hardware for unparalleled color accuracy and sharpness. Not just that, the powerful ISP in the Find X8 Ultra will further elevate night photography by optimizing image processing and reducing noise like never before. Adding to the excitement, Oppo is also set to launch the Find X8 Next, a device rumored to be a direct competitor to the Galaxy S25 Edge, iPhone 17 Air, and the Vivo X200 Mini. Reports suggest that the Find X8 Next will be a sleek powerhouse, featuring a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED display, a 50MP primary camera with a 1/1.56 sensor and OIS, and a Dimensity 9400 chipset for top-tier performance. Meanwhile, leaked live images of the Find X8 Ultra have surfaced, revealing a bold new camera design. Love it or hate it, Oppo is making a statement. The Ultra's cutting-edge hardware and next-gen image processing will redefine smartphone photography, particularly in low-light conditions. So, with the Find X8 Ultra focusing on night photography mastery and the Find X8 Next challenging flagship rivals with compact power, Oppo is making a big play in the smartphone market. Are you excited about these upcoming releases? What are your thoughts on the Find X8 Ultra's Night God title? Let us know in the comments. And if you love staying updated on the latest smartphone leaks and launches, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech news. This is TechVerse, bringing you the latest in tech. See you in the next one.